Ever find yourself questioning your coding path? Maybe you imagine yourself working a tech job, building apps, or even running your own startup, but with so many options, how do you know which is right for you? This one decision will shape your entire career, and you need to choose wisely because picking the wrong path can mean years of frustration in a job or a lifestyle that doesn't actually fit you. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common coding career paths and what to consider for each of them, so that by the end you'll be able to make a more informed decision on the direction you want to take. Let's dive in. I remember when I first started coding, I had no idea where I wanted to go. Tech job, freelancing, building my own app, every option seemed possible. When you're just starting out, you mainly focus on learning the skill of programming, but having the end in mind gives you direction and clarity. So take a second to ask yourself, what's your ultimate goal with coding? But before you answer that, let's break it down. Here are 4 main coding paths you can choose from. The traditional 9-to-5 tech job. If you want stability, a structured routine, and a clear career path, then a tech job might be the right fit. In this case, focus on learning in-demand tech stacks, researching what companies are hiring for, and even connecting with tech recruiters who can guide you on the exact skills to learn, how to prepare your resume and ace your job interview. Developing your own application. Maybe you'd rather build your own software, something that solves a problem or serves a specific audience. This gives you flexibility and makes you your own boss, but it also means you'll be responsible for ongoing updates, maintenance, and customer support. And let's be honest, in today's world, just knowing how to build an app isn't enough. You'll also need to learn marketing and sales, skills you may not have yet. Number 3 is founding a startup. If you've already dreamed of starting your own company, this might be your path. Maybe you start by building websites or apps for businesses or even offering web design. But keep in mind, founding a company isn't just about coding. You'll need to develop business skills, learn how to recruit the right people, and develop leadership. While you can start small, this may not be the best first step if you're still learning to code. Number 4, freelancing. As a beginner, freelancing can be a great way to land your first few jobs. It gives you control over your schedule and lets you choose your own projects. However, just like any career path, it comes with challenges. You'll need some time to find good paying gigs and build a solid reputation. But in my opinion, freelancing is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to start making money with coding. Each of these paths comes with unique challenges and rewards, but the real question is, what kind of lifestyle do you really want? Here's what most people don't realize. It's not just about what you want to do, it's about how you want to work. Do you work best with structured hours, or do you prefer flexibility? Do you enjoy collaborating with others, or do you thrive working alone? The way you answer these questions will determine whether you love or hate your career. Before you commit to a path, ask yourself, do I want flexibility or stability? Do I enjoy managing people or working solo? Do I prefer more freedom or structured goals? The more honest you are about what fits your personality and lifestyle, the easier it becomes to choose the right path. My recommendation, take 1 hour today to really think about the kind of work life you want. Write it down. The clearer your goal, the easier it is to reverse engineer your path and align your learning projects and career moves. No matter what path you choose, one thing remains the same. You need to be good at coding, and that's where I can help. If you're into web development, C# and .NET could be a perfect fit for you, and that's exactly what I teach on this channel. Whether you're an absolute beginner or already coding but unsure what to learn next, I've created a free roadmap that lays out the exact steps to take in the right order. You can grab it by clicking the link below or heading to .NETdeveloperroadmap.com. And if you want to dive deeper, I've also made a video walking you through the full roadmap, which should be on the screen right now, so just click on it and I'll see you there.